365 days ago, I came to this very spot on the top of this mountain, surrounded by mountains, and I had a lot on my mind. It was 2019, the start of January, and I was thinking about life. I had a lot of problems. My parents were disappointed in me. I had mental problems, I had health problems, I had money problems, a lot of problems that I had to deal with. And coming back here, I remember when I was here in 2019, I told myself that I'll come here 65 days later a better man. I don't know how many problems I'll solve, but I will come as a better man. And now I'm here putting all those problems behind, making small changes in my life that had big impacts. And one other thing that I wanted to do was drink a cup of Bangladeshi tea on top of a mountain. I want to do this different mountains throughout Japan. But what changes did I make? Let's see. 2019 was a big year for me. I finally graduated and I finally started a full-time job. But those are two things that weren't the biggest changes. This is what I mean when I'm talking about small changes that have had big impacts. Before 2019, if you told me my choice of drink, I would choose cola every day. But now it's black coffee and I have quit sugar since February. Before 2019, if you asked me how many books I read, the answer would always have been 0. But now it's 6 or 7 in the space of few weeks. Before 2019, if I had to wake up at 7, I never ended up waking up, but now it's different. Before 2019, if you told me to go on a run with you, well, I would block you, but now I would jump at the prospect of running. Before 2019, I had more than $5,000 of debt, but now I'm almost done with it. Before 2019, I was fat. Wait, now I'm still fat. I'm sorry, that's not gonna change, that's gonna take some time. I'll just stop at that. Those are just some of the changes that I made this year that had big impact. So what I learned is that small steps can make big changes. So as I stand here at the start of a new year, I want to share that same positivity, that enthusiasm, that drive to do something new or to solve my problems, to face my problem that I have with everyone who watches my video. I know that a lot of people don't watch my videos, but whoever watches them, and if it impacts you, if it helps you go on this journey of self-improvement, then stick around, because I want to promote this idea of simple living. And so be with EEQ throughout 2020 and let's grow together, and I hope I don't fall.